Hi there everyone, it's Pam Carr here from Caraway Crochet, and what I'm showing you today is how to make the simple shell stitch. It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. It's really, once you get the second row done, the second row just repeats. So I hope you join me for this easy shell stitch tutorial. What I used was a number 4 weight. I used actually Bernat Premium in the yellow, and I used some blue, and I also used some white. This could be Super Saver. They're just scraps of yarn that I had available. And I use a number 5mm H hook for this project, and also I used a yarn needle for weaving in the ends. I haven't actually woven them in yet, but if you are making anything, you're going to need a yarn needle. Okay, so please do hit like if you like this video and subscribe, and also maybe hit the little bell for notifications so you'll find out when this new video is uploaded. Thank you so much. So today we're going to be doing an easy shell stitch. It's a great stitch for blankets. You can use it for so many different things. So I'm going to start out, you need multiples of 6 plus 1. So I'm going to start out with 31 stitches. We'll see how that goes, shall we? So we're going to chain 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'll meet you back when I've done 31. So now into the 4th chain from the hook, we are going to do 3 double crochets. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, and there's the 4th one. 1, 2, 3. We don't count the one on the hook. 1, 2, 3. There's the 4th one. So we're going to do 3 double crochets into there. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to start in a pattern here. We're going to do skip 2, 1, 2, and we're going to single crochet into the 3rd one. Okay, then we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and into the 3rd one we are going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, oops, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and into the 3rd one we are going to single crochet. You just put the hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through there. Okay, now we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, and we're going to do 5 double crochets. Yarn over, put the hook in, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through the 2, yarn over and pull it through the 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to skip 2, and you guessed it, we are going to single crochet into the 3rd one. This is our repeat, okay? We skip 2, we're going to do 5 double crochets into the next one, to the 3rd stitch away. 1, 2, I'm holding my yarn funny to try and make it so you can see it really well on the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to skip 2 and single crochet into the next one. Skip 2, 5 double crochets into the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to skip 2, and in the last stitch we're going to single crochet. And that's the end of the very first row. So for row 2, we're going to chain up 3, and we are going to do 3 double crochets into that single crochet, the last single crochet that we did on row 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And then on this shell of 5 double crochets that we've created here, we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, and we're going to do a single crochet right into the very top one. Okay, then we're going to go on to this single crochet here that is down here, and we are going to do 5 double crochets into there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then up right in the middle of this shell, we'll count up 1, 2 to the third one. Right at the very top there, we're going to do a single crochet. And then in this single crochet down here, we are going to be doing 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to go up to the 1, 2, the third one, and we're going to single crochet in there. 2 down, and then in this one we're going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oops, 5, and then we're going to 1, 2, and into the third one we're going to single crochet. Then we're going to go down to the single crochet that was in between the shells, and we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 1, 2, 3. I think this is the 3 that we did, and what we're going to do at the very end is we are going to single crochet in the top of this chain 3. These are the 3 chains that we left. Remember, we went into the 4th chain, so we're going to single crochet into there, and that is row 2 completed. Okay, so the next row, row 3, is pretty much like row 2. You just chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we do 3 single crochets into that first stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And then we count up 1, 2, and into the third one we're going to do a single crochet. And then we're going to go down to that down 1, 2, and then there's a single crochet, and we're going to do 5 double crochets to make our shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just talk you through one more row, okay? Now we're going to go 1, 2, and into the third one we're going to single crochet, and then we'll go 1, 2, and into the third one down. This is where we're going to be making our 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then once again we're going to count up 1, 2, and in the third one up we're going to single crochet, and then count 1, 2, and then the third one down we're going to do our 5 doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to count up 1, 2, and in the third one at the very top of the shell we're going to single crochet, and then we're going to 1, 2, and in the third one down where the single crochet stitches from the previous row we're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to go across to the previous 3 chains from the previous row and we're going to single crochet into the top there. Okay, now if you wanted to change a color, this is the time when you want to change your color, is you actually don't complete the entire single crochet. You go in and then you're going to pull through on the new color. I'm not going to do a slip stitch right now, I'm just going to do it quickly for you. So we're going to pull through the new color, and now we have a change of color, and we're going to, I'll cut this one off, and then that lets me show you how we can change the colors. So now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then what are we going to do? We're going to do 3 double crochets right into that single crochet stitch. 1, oops, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3. All right. And that 3 is going to be the one that you attach to eventually down the road. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, and there in the top of the shell, we'll do a single crochet. 1, 2, and the third one down, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, into that one we'll single crochet, and then 1, 2, and into the third one, the top, that's the single crochet there, ready to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we go 1, 2, and into the top there, single crochet. Pretty soon you get this right down so that it's just mechanical. 1, 2, and the third one down there, we're going to do 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll count 1, 2, and in that third one, pop a single crochet in there. 1, 2, and in the third one, we'll do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we skip over to where those chain 3s are, and we are going to single crochet in the top there. And we're ready to turn, chain 3, turn, and do our new row. So you see how beautiful that looks. It's really nice for blankets, but you could make hats with it, you could make sweaters, you can do anything with this. It's just a gorgeous shell stitch. Looks really pretty, and I hope you enjoyed watching that tutorial and that it was clear. Please comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing here, and tap on the little bell if you'd like to be notified when I get new ones up. And thank you very much for watching, and happy crocheting, and take care.